4 साल का सफ़र था मगर लम्हों में सिमट गया। कभी मुस्कुराहट में गुज़रा, कभी रात भर जागने में। आधी बातें अधूरी रह गई लेकिन उनकी याद पूरी छोड़ गई। आंखों में नींद कम थी मगर सपने बहुत थे। अब ये सफ़र ख़त्म हो रहा है मगर यादें दिल में जगह ले चुकी हैं। ये सिर्फ़ एक रुखसत नहीं, ये एक शुक्रिया है। तो कुछ बातें, कुछ जज्बात हमारे अपनों की ज़ुबान से।
कहाँ थे वो रास्ते के जिनसे गुल चुनता रहा, दिल के धागे से उड़ती पतंग सबकी सुनता न था।
For me, it's a matter of great pleasure and honor that Ali has graduated today, and I wish him all the best and the institution as well.
He's carrying a lot of achievements under his belt, so we are really proud of him. He has made us proud today. As parents, we are really happy, and we wish him all the best, all the prayers, lots of prayers from the parents for him. Inshallah, we want to see him flourish in his coming life.
बहुत ही खुशी हुई है।
It's okay, let it drop. I'm really glad my daughter has achieved such a good award. You can say that she has taken a high achievement award, and that is a really proud moment for me. And I'm really happy that she's my second born and second bride.
हमेशा इसने मुझे, मैं अभी कह रही थी मैं नहीं आ रही लाहौर, हम मुल्तान से सफ़र करके आए हैं, लेकिन इसने बहुत मुझे ज़बरदस्ती कहा कि मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई कि आप चलेंगे।
लम्स के अंदर एक ज़बरदस्त एक्सपीरियंस था। मेरा ख्याल है कि लाइफ के अंदर इनको आपस में कनेक्ट करने में और अचीव करने में बड़ी मदद करेगा। I wish all the best for everyone who has graduated this year.
Hey guys, I just want to say that your lump journey will be full of ups and downs, but it's never that deep.
My journey overall was beautiful. I learned a lot, I grew a lot, and I think the most important thing that I can impart is that the value of friendships is something that we undermine every single day. So whoever your friends and close ones are, you don't know how much time you have left with them. So try your best to spend the best time that you can. That's actually a friend of mine as well. So yeah, thank you so much.
Reach out to people that you care about more often than you think you need to, because they need your help just like you need theirs.
My back is aching. I'm sweaty. My forehead is dripping with sweat. I don't know what to do. I don't know. I'm standing here speaking to a random camera.
I'm having an amazing time, and I'm grateful for this moment. And yeah.
And I'm a proud sister.
ये सिर्फ इसलिए करी कि उसकी अम्मी पीछे खड़ी है. He's trying to get points.
So my journey at LUMS, like every other freshman's, was very rocky, at least at the start. And it took me a lot of time settling in, getting used to the environment, the place. But Alhamdulillah, 4 years later, I'm ending it at an all-time high.
One of the biggest highlights for my LUMS experience would be my time at Radio LUMS. I think the people I've met and the society it has been grown to. I think it's like one of the wholesome people, one of the kindest time I had at LUMS, and I wish more people join it and carry on what we have built. Inshallah. See you at the other side.
दिलों में तुम अपनी बेताबियां लेके चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो तुम। नज़र में ख्वाबों की बिजलियां लेके चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो तुम। हवा के झोंकों के जैसे आज़ाद रहना सीखो। तुम एक दरिया के जैसे लहरों में बहना सीखो। हर एक लम्हे से तुम मिलो, खोले अपनी बाहें। हर एक पल एक नया समा देखें ये निगाहें। जो अपनी आंखों में हैरानियां लेके चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो तुम। दिलों में तुम अपनी बेताबियां लेके चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो तुम।
3, 2, 1, go!
डुल गए पर जस नहीं आई।